My name is Darren Gertis, and if you can give me 2 minutes, I can help you become a better instructor. So here we're going to create a new folder. If you look on the left-hand side, you'll see all these choices. I've modified these. What they normally come up with are things like homepage, announcements, maybe course content. That's what you'll see as default. I have things under course materials and then weekly course content. So let's go under course materials. That's the equivalent of course content. And we're going to create a new folder. So you click under build content and then create a new content folder. Okay, when you do, you have a new content folder. We'll call this Hurricane Alternate Assignments. Okay, and then under here, I simply submit, click submit, and I'm going to move this up now after I've submitted it. So instead of seeing the syllabus and APA resources and other things, I'm going to move this up. I'm going to grab it on the left-hand side and move it up to the top because I'm going to direct later on to this one and I want them to see the first one. Click under it and there's nothing there. Now I'm going to add content. So I'm going to create either create a item or a file, and really all I'm going to do here is upload a PowerPoint. So it doesn't matter if I choose item or file, it works roughly the same way. So here is chapter 5, and I browse my computer, go to the right folder for this. Grab my PowerPoints for chapter 5. Here we go, chapter 5, values and ethics, open. And you'll see it opens. Now there's some choices of things to do. I'd like to open it in a new window. That's just me. If you want to align it for content, you can do that. If you want to display after a certain date or track views, you can do that as well. Just click submit. And it's all set. It'll just take a moment for it to appear. Now when a student comes in, they go, again, you're in here. We're going to click on course materials. And the first item that I want them to see is the Hurricane Alternate Assignments, chapter 5. I click on that and it will download. It'll download down here in the corner. Click on it and it should pop up and they'll have easy access to the assignment. Okay, so there we are, and they can just work through what they need to work through. Okay, so that's how we do what we need to do to create a folder with instructions in Blackboard. Okay, it's pretty simple. So that's all for now. If you're a CSU faculty member and you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to serve you.